Hello friend, today we are going to discuss types of variable in C. So there are local variable, global variable, static variable, automatic variable and external variable. So let's have open the Visual Studio Code and we can see one by one. Okay. So let me open my Visual Studio Code. Let me create one file local underscore variable dot c. Okay, as include studio. Then I need to write one function void fun a. Then inside I need to declare one int a is equal to 20. Then I need to print it percentage t and a semicolon value of a. You can here write any string value of a. Okay, then here next line, and we'll define here main function main. We have here taken int and void. Difference is like when you are not going to return anything, then you need to write a void, because here we are not going to return anything. These are also function, this one also function. So here we are not returning anything, but in int we are returning as a 0. Here we can do void, no issue, but we are using int. Okay, let me call that function a. So I'm calling, as we know that when we run the code, first the compiler will look into the main function. It will comes to main function, then inside main function a is there, so it will go to function a, then it will see that local variable is 20, then it will print. Let me save and run. Yeah, variable of a is 20. Okay, so this is the local variable. Let me tell you global. Global variable dot c. So I need to write program for that. Studio. Here we are defining that a is equal to 20. Then void fun a print the value of a percentage d comma a. Okay, now we have main function return 0. Then here we'll going call function a. So this is not inside a function. This variable is outside function. So outside function means it's a global variable. Yeah, so let me save and run. Let me delete this. Yes. So because it is printing here also, here also. If I'll write here some int a is equal to 10, it will take local variable. So this time both value was same inside function and outside function. Now see the function inside function, because this is always take local variable. If you we are printing here a value, so globally a is 20 but locally a is 10, so it's taking 10. Okay, hope you have understood this global function, sorry, global variable. Now we'll see the static variable. Static dot c. So in static, what we are doing, first we are creating one function b. Okay, then as we know, while we are creating static variable, we need to use one keyword, static keyword. Static int count is equal to 10. Okay, and here we are just increasing count plus plus. Okay, then returning, we need this value, count value, so we are returning count. Now we are here writing main function. Inside main we are returning as a 0, and we have to print that function b. Let me save, then we'll delete function b. Okay, function b, then save. What is the issue here? Some issue is here. Let me check. Can't describe. Okay, yeah, we got a function. We need to double bracket. Check it again. Yeah, is 11. First it was 10, so it's got increment, is printed 11. Okay, and let me write one more function, one more print. We are going to one more printing this function again, function b, then we'll check, save it. Let me delete this, run it again. Yeah, 11. First it was 10, so it became 11 because it's added 1. Again here in first one is printed 11, second one printed 12. If I'll add one more thing, then it will be 13. Control C, Control V, Control S, save, then run it. See, 11, 12, 13. If let me remove this static, then what will happen? Everywhere it will print 10. Sorry, 11. because here it was 10, so it's got increment 1 and it's written 11. So right now here 11 value, so I have printed 11 11 11. If I'm using static keyword, it means is holding the value. So first it was 10, so it's got increment and it's got printed here 11. Then in next time it has 11, so what happened, again it came to here and got increment, because in static is holding the value, is taking current value. So for while it was printing this function, this print line, so this time count value was 11, so it made it 12 because one got increment. And while it was printing this print line, at this time it has value 12, so it got increment and it become 13. If we are not using static, then it will be the same value, only one increment will be there. Okay, hope you have understood all those things. Thanks for watching this video. Let's subscribe to my channel. Thanks.